infrastructure requirements. Integration steps also there. No need to integration. Now I want to do the installation of sonarqube. Okay, quickly I want to take the server. Okay, I want to create the server. Okay, so I want to create the launch instance. It's audible, visible clearly, guys. So now I want to install the sonarqube. Okay. Clearly observing. Previously, one region I'm using. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so this Maven server also there. So don't remove the Maven server. Okay, don't remove. This is a project server. Don't remove. Now I want to create one server, launch server. So the server name is sonarqube. Okay, now I want to take Red Hat. Okay, so the instance type is in this my account 3-tier is completed, guys. Okay, I want to take a C7 iFlex large. T3 medium is not available. Okay, once you can create your instance na T3 medium you can take. Okay, got my point? T3 medium. T3 medium you can take. Okay, not T3 micro. T3 micro you can take na. Space is insufficient. Your configuration is not created. You can take T3 micro. Okay, otherwise will work. That's it. Launch instance. My server is ready. Your instance. sonarqube server is running. Now I want to connect straight away. SSH. Already I have a download. Sonar dev is there. Are you sure you're connecting? Yes, I'm surely connected. Controller appearing in the screen. Okay? Controller appearing in the screen. So, in this mission, I want to install the sonarqube software. Okay? So, first time the sonarqube software is not available, right? I want to install the sonar software. So, once I want to install, I'm connecting into dashboard. So, how to connect? So first I want to change the root path. Okay, sudo su hyphen. So switching into root path. Okay. Now in this mission, I want to install the Java software. Okay. Now I want to install the Java software. Okay. So already I have a documentation. Yeah. Now I want to install in the sonarqube. I want to take the 21 version. Okay, now I want to install the Java software. Sudo install Java 21 open JDK. This is a Red Hat mission, guys. Okay. Yes. Are you sure of anything? Yes. Yeah, surely connected. So now I want to check Java version. Okay. Now see this OpenJDK Java version 21.0.10 and RAM environment OpenJDK. Okay. So Java version was available. Okay. The Java version was available. So now I want to change the path because moving on to OPT path. Okay. Now I'm in OPT path. So because in OPT path I'm installing the sonarqube software. The disturbance is there, like software installations purpose, like that way. Okay, now I want to install the sonarqube software. Okay, and going to sonarqube. See the sonarqube downloads. You can go. See this community build edition. Okay, see this community build. Straight away you can down. See this open, right? This is the developer edition. See this community edition, right? Once you can copy the link address. Okay. So just right away copy the link address. So I want to share the chat box in link address. Paste here. Okay. So this is a link. Once I want to maintain the link in my notepad also. Okay. So straight away paste here. I want to remove something. Okay, I want to remove here some code and all those things. Only, yeah. So this code is very, very important. This code only. Okay, this code we have to use it. I'll give this code. Okay. I will share the link also, and I will share the code also. This is software. Okay, this software we can use it. Okay. Now I want to take this software. Yeah. So now I want to install the sonarqube software first of all. Okay. This software is completely binary software. Okay, binary and zip file. So now I'm using the unzip command because first I'm using the sonar software extracting purpose. I'm using the wget package command and I'm using the unzip. Okay, yum install wget unzip -y. This command is completely will helps the package extracting purpose, unzipping purpose. We have to use the install wget unzip -y. So once we have to use this command, what happened to do installing unzip and wget also transaction summary, and the system not recognize the elements of server. You can use the RHC of subscription manager of the register. Mostly we have to use this unzip command and wget package. Now I want to install the software. Okay, so straight away I want to take this software. Okay, straight away I want to take this software. This is the sonarqube software. Okay, this is the sonarqube software. Wget I'm adding. So observing that. Okay, I want to install the community edition of the copy link. I want to add the sonarqube. Okay, I want to install it. And next I want to check ls. See the sonarqube file is released. So now I want to add the unzip. Okay, now I want to add the unzip command. So this is a completely zip file. Okay, so zip file. So seeing the zip files. So this is zip files. How to extract? How to extract? Right click and extract all. Right. At the same time, this is a terminal. This is a zip file. How to extract? Using the unzip and extracting here. So once I want to give this command, automatically extracting process is done. Moving on that. Okay, so now I want to extract here, control L clearing in the screen. Now we can check ls, see change the directory. Okay, cd, I want to use the sonarqube file. So in this sonarqube file, whatever the files inside, we can check. So whatever the files available, see some bin file, configuration files also available. PWD means present working directory. LS means list of the files. So once we have to check the all configurations and entering into sonarqube partner, automatically will work. Automatically will work. Okay. Now we can go to cd double dot. Once we can step OPT path. See this OPT path. PWD means present working directory. Now observing that, guys. See, there's a sonarqube and zip file also available. So this is the sonarqube. I want to change this name. Okay, I want to change this name because I want to add the user purpose. I want to create the user, and now I want to providing the user accessing purpose. User, what is the reason of user? What is the use of user? Dashboard connection purpose. I am creating the one user. What dashboard? sonarqube dashboard. Outputs sending into that dashboard, right? So that is a purpose. Move, this is the name. I want to change this name. Okay, I am doing only change this name. Okay, move sonarqube name. I want to change. I want to give the sonarqube only. Okay. Move sonarqube and sonarqube name I will give. The name was changed or not, how to check? Give the ls command. See, automatically the name was changed. Before was not changed. Once I want to give the nv command, automatically the name was changed. Now I want to give the user creation. User creation purpose, I want to give the user add command. Okay, user add name is sonar. Okay, that name is sonar. Okay, user is successfully created. Now I want to provide the sudo access. Okay, vi sudo. What is the purpose of using in vi sudo? So now I want to connect the dashboard. That dashboard connection purpose, sudo accessing is mandatory. Sudo accessing means root access. Okay, root accessing providing into sonar user. So now I want to provide the root access sonar user. So no need to worry, straight away just you can click the insert button, straight away you can down. Okay, see this, observing that root only. Okay, see this is the root. Okay, this line is visible now, just you can give the root. So that time you can provide the sonar. Okay, name is sonar. Just this is a providing the root accessing purpose. I want to modifying that. Okay, root user providing purpose, I want to modifying that. Okay, so now I want to check the cursor, my cursor. Now I want to give the name. Okay, control L, clear, control V I will give. Okay, I want to providing the sonar, and I want to provide the sudo access into sonar user. Okay, sonar. Once I want to update the data, escape, shift colon WQ, save the data. Okay, save the data. Once we have to ls-l. What is the use of this command? This command purpose of using the permissions was available or not in this particular users. Owner permission, group permission, user permission is available or not. So that is the reason I'm telling previously. Please read the line commands, guys. File permissions also we can read. That's it. Okay. No need to worries and no need to tension. Whatever the permissions you can give now, higher authorities also we can instruct them. How to give the permission? How to give the permission? That way you know, no? It's fine. Okay, no problem. So this is a ls-l. And this is a file permission providing purpose. R means read, W means write, X means execute. Okay, read, write, execute permissions available into sonarqube. Okay, so we have to change the ownership. Owner means administrator. Administrator permissions was provided into sonarqube. The sonarqube was providing into administrator permissions. Now I want to give the file permissions. So I have some commands. No problem, guys. I will give the commands. Okay. So once we can give that permissions, automatically the sonar user was ownership permission was available. Okay, no need to tension. I will give that permissions. How to give the permissions? Just you can give that. That's it. Once you can give the ls-l command, now we can observing that ls-l command. See, completely changed. Okay, completely changed. Read, write, execute. Before only execute, read permission is there. Now sonarqube ownership permission was available. Now I want to change the root user. How to change this root user? If you provide the vi sudo access, na, otherwise this root user was changed. Okay, vi sudo. What is the use of vi sudo? Vi sudo providing into root user. Once we can change the root, otherwise available. Okay, now I want to use the su hyphen sonar. Okay, see, now I am in sonar user, right? ls. See how many files available? Some files was available, right? Some files was available. Sonar user was available. Now I want to change the opt path and what is the name? Sonar u, and moving on to bin folder. What is the use of bin folder? See, this is the configuration files. Okay, this is the